Hi, this is Jason Grospe and welcome to another episode of RapsaRock. Noong April 13 meron akong pinost sa aking personal account sa aking relief goods made classy, spaghetti with chili, sardines and parsley. So may mga tao na nag-private message sa akin na tinatanong nila kung paano ko daw ginawa yung dish na yun. Which is nagpapasalamat ako at na-appreciate nyo yung post ko. So itong pasta na to, hindi niya nire-require na mag-season tayo heavily like putting a lot of pepper or salt. So as much as possible, kailangan natin ma-appreciate yung lasa ng ating Spanish sardines. Make sure na meron tayong fresh garlic. Parsley, right now meron akong dried parsley, some chilies, and of course, ating pasta noodles. So yung process ng paggawa ng recipe na to is similar dun sa previous episode na Pasta Aglio E Olio. So guys, let's get on to it!
Lying in my bed every night, you're not there, and all I see is blue and gray. These thoughts in my head, feels like it's on fire. It's longing for you. Minutes and the hours has gone by. What I feel for you is true. Oh. I'm holding your hands. A smile on my face I no one can erase.
So as promised guys, yun, sobrang dali lang i-prepare ng ating dish. At sana na-appreciate nyo itong episode na to. At malaking shoutout pala sa mga kasama ko sa Kill Session Clothing. Maraming salamat. Check nyo yung kanilang page sa link. At maraming salamat sa inyo na nag-request para gawin ko itong episode na to. At huwag nyo pala kakalimutan na mag-like and follow ng aking page. So hanggang sa muli, this is Jason Grospe. Stay home and stay safe.